Hi there, Lindsay Northcutt from Northcutt Designs, just giving you a quick run through of your dynamic design website. I have the logo up on the top panel here with a nice wooden background. At the very top, you can see the dynamic design, the name of the website, Dynamic Design. That's also a link to the home page. We have the menu hamburger, as well as a favorites link, a search option, and a cart option. As you requested, this website is an e-commerce shop, so it's very complicated with a lot of moving pieces, so this is where we are today. As we scroll down, we have an area to shop. It's also here in the menu. We can actually take a quick peek at this menu. We have home, shop, about us, a gallery, and the wish list, and then links for social media and a checkout button. You can also get to the shop now here. I have a guarantee area as well as a gallery area. This is supposed to be even. I will make a quick update to that. An embedded video, some reviews of how amazing the work is, and then a footer. And this is the overall design. I'll just run through one more page. Let's look at the shop page, which also at this time isn't quite perfect, but you can see here we can filter the items to shop. We're in shop, and here we can kind of sort the items. Right now we have 3 items in our shop. Here is an area for a custom build. This button will lead you to a form to fill out if you'd like a custom piece of furniture. And down here are the exact same pieces, which I am really struggling to find a way to remove from the website, following by the footer. And this I will have fixed. But it's just kind of an overarching view of how the website's going to look. Thanks. Bye.